Now, answering the call with Nick Vandergraat.
August 11th, 2006. Corporal Andrew Eichenboom of Comox, BC is a medic with the PPCLI in Afghanistan. He's easygoing, taking the challenges of Army life in stride, always encouraging those around him. Boomer, as his buddies call him, is popular amongst the troops. A medic is needed on another convoy, and although he's just come back and is packing for home, his sergeant asks for a volunteer. Boomer doesn't hesitate. On this day, he's riding in a G-Wagon that's attacked by a suicide bomber. The blast tears the vehicle apart, injuring his two comrades and killing him instantly. The incident hits everyone hard. Back home, Boomer's family, while grief-stricken, doesn't let the death of their son destroy them. His mother Maureen remembers asking him before he deploys about the large cross with wings he has tattooed on his back, and the wisdom of such a move considering he's going to a Muslim country. He responds saying, "Mom, that's the whole purpose. No matter what, they'll know what I stand for." Maureen sets up a trust fund in her son's name that allows soldiers to access money and put it in the hands of the Afghan people where it will do the most good. The men are accountable for how they spend it, but they don't have to jump through hoops to get it. Andrew was only 23 when he's killed, but those who know him also know he has a maturity well beyond his years. He is a fine example of the best this country has to offer. Corporal Andrew Boomer Eichenboom, another Canadian that answers the call.